Hello friends. So look at these kind of problems. How to solve this kind of problem when it is given in the question, or when these kind of questions are given to you. How will you solve this kind of questions? So let me explain in a easiest manner to solve this kind of problems. Here we can use one simple technique. So that simple technique. So here M2, M3, M2 and M1 are given 10 kg, 4 kg and 2 kg. So here to find out the acceleration of the system. How will you find out this acceleration of the system? There is one simple technique is there. So let me explain that technique so that you can solve these kind of problems easily. So here the block is the tension is T and here its weight is M3 into G. So here is the tension force is a T and here the tension force is also T. So here it is the tension force is a T and it's here the weight is M1 into G. So to find out the acceleration of this system, so here we will use one formula. Acceleration is equals to F net divided by total mass. So what is the F net? Net force. What is the net force in this case? See here, as you know, this M3 is a 2 kg and M1 is 4 kg. I mean 10 kg, M2 is 4 kg. So here this side is the weight is more as compared to this weight. So obviously you can understand this block is accelerate downward direction. This block is means M2 and M1 is accelerates downward direction and M3 is accelerates upward direction. So here the the weight in this case is this side is more as compared to this side. So what is the weight or force acting in this side? So we will write here the weight is M1G plus. So here when the block is on inclined plane, so due the weight is resolved into two components, horizontal component as well as vertical component. So that you should know the idea about it. In this case the force is weight is M2G sine theta. So this is weight is in this side or the force acting in this side minus M3G divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So the values are given in this. So substitute in this here. So G is the common. You take the G is the common. So M1 is 10 plus M2 is 4 and here the inclination is the sine 30. So that is 1 by 2 and M3 is how much we got 2. So numerator and denominator, numerator we have taken the G is the common. So here the total is 16. So by simplifying this equation, here the 2 ones, 2 twos, so what you will get? So 10 G by 16. So here you will get 5 G by 8. So here the options are given 2G by 8, 3G by 8, 5G by 8, 9G by 8. So the correct answer for this 5G by 8. So I will give one more example. If the M1 is 4 kg, M2 is 8 kg and M3 is 3 kg, then find out the acceleration of the system. The same method you can use and find out the acceleration of the system and send the answer in the group or whatever it may be, wherever the link you can send and comment.